Hi, my name's Benji and I made an epic domino structure.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow.
All red's placed down there, all the whites placed up there, some reds are up there, then some yellows, then some blues. I'm worried it might tumble.
It's nearly as tall as you.
Yeah.
So, here's Dad.
Yeah. I will film why.
Yep. Benji.
So, cameraman.
Yes?
It's
Are we
me.
cameraman?
It's me, Benji. So, let me see how this tumbles.
Whoa, that was awesome.
That was sad.
And one thing we do is we make sure we pick up any that go underneath the furniture. You can see some down there in the corner and pick them all up, so make sure we don't lose any. Alright, make sure you click like and subscribe for more videos of awesome topples.
Yeah.
And remember to keep building.
Yeah.